Good morning, students. Today we'll have a new discussion on significant figures. Uh, what are significant figures? Let me take on a board. Yes, I think it's very clear. Students, as you know, significant figures, uh, what do you mean by significant figures, first of all? Whenever we do a measurement, as all of you know, I may do a length measurement. Length is a quantity. I measure it. I express in numbers with unit. So whenever I write a number, that number it may be a 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, or a number with decimal places. So we call those numbers as significant and insignificant. We call it them reliable and non-reliable. Number is more important. Yes. Take for example, I had a time measurement. According to the book, it is 1.62 seconds. I measured an event which is going to last for 1.62. I said the time is written as 1. It is a measurement. When I say this is a measurement, this is the decimal number, first digit, second digit, third digit. First two digits are called reliable digits. First two digits are called reliable digits. The third digit is uncertain. The third digit is uncertain. What I mean to say, when you do a measurement, take an example, I have done time measurement. When I do a time measurement, I'm going to write it as 1.62 seconds. Second is a unit. So I have 3 digits, but it's a decimal number, 1.62. The first digit, second digit are called reliable digits, or they are also called certain. Certain means correct digits. And the third one is called uncertain. The question arises, sir, why you are calling it uncertain? Uncertain means if I, instead of 2, if I write 1, if I write 3, if I write 4, it is not going to affect my value. Instead of 1.62, if I write 1.61, 1.60. So 60 is also close to 62, or 61 is also close to 62. So which will not affect my measured value. So it is called uncertain. It may be sometimes 3, it may be sometimes 4, or it may be anything. That's why the last digit, always last digit is called uncertain digit. Then what is a significant figure? Significant figures speaks about the precision of measurement. When you do a measurement, you are written it as 1.62. 1.62 tells about the precision. What is the precision? 1.62. First two digits are reliable digits or certain digits, and the last digit is uncertain. It is called a significant. What is the significance of this? I can say 3. Significance of this measurement, significant figures of this measurement is 3. What it means? First two digits are reliable and certain. The last digit is uncertain, but still, when I take significant figure into account, any measure, what is this 1.62? 1.62 is a measurement. It talks about the precision of a measurement. And what is the significance of this number? Significance of this number is 3. Instead of 1.62, if I write 1.624, what is the significance? Significance, I say 4. So first digits, second digit, and third digit are reliable digits, whereas the last digit is uncertain. Uncertain means maybe an error is a, what is error? Error is an uncertainty. So there is uncertainty. There is a certainty. 1.62 is a certain, means reliable. You have to rely. You can rely upon the value. The last digit being uncertain, I don't know, it may be 4, it may be 5, it may be 6, anything. So uncertain digit. The reliable digits, first 3 plus the unreliable. That's why reliable digits plus last digit or unreliable digit together forms significant figures. What are significant figures? Significant figures talk about the precision of a measurement. If I take an example 1.62, the significance of this measurement is 3. The significant figure, it is called significant figure or digits. Both are one and the same. You can associate yourself as significant figures or a digits. The significance of this number is 3. The significance of this number is 4. Now, if I get some number like 1, 2, 3, 4, so what is the significance of this? So instead of writing this, if I had some, I can say its significance is 4. If I say 1, 0, 2, 0, what is the significance of this? I have different measurement. What are the rules? The rules I'm going to list one by one. So this is, now I'm going to have rules applied while considering significant figures or significant digits. Whenever I do a measurement, the measurement should reflect the precision of a measurement. Means that that instrument should reflect. When you write some number, it should reflect precision of a measurement. So the rules to understand significant figures, what significance is, now we'll have the first rule. The first rule says that, let me remove it. Yes. All the non-zero digits are significant. The first rule is this. What is the first rule? All the non-zero digits like 2, 3, 1, significance is 3. And I can say 2, 5, 6, 0. So 1, so significance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 4 digits are reliable, plus 1, the significance is 5. Here what happens? What 3 digits, first 2 are certain, the last one is uncertain, but still the significance is 3. So all are non-zero, but I have taken 0. It cannot be taken into account. The rule is not valid here. Then I need to remove it. Only non-zero digits. All the non-zero digits are significant, like 3, 4, 2, 1. Significance is 4. Next rule. Next rule I'll go. All the zeros, the second one, all the zeros between 2 non-zero digits are between 2 non-zero digits are significant. Significant. I repeat, all the zeros between 2 non-zero digits are significant. Example, as I already written, 1, 3, 0, 2, 0, 2. This 0 is between 3 and 2. This 0 is between 2 and 2. So while counting the significance of this number, I am bound to, the rule says that 0, all the zeros, this is 1 0, this is 2 0. All the zeros between 2 non-zero, 3 is non-zero, 2 is non-zero, this 0 is between 3 and 2, this 0 is between 2 and 2. Hence, what is the significance of this? The first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 digits plus 6. Significance is 6. What is the significance of this number? Significance of this number is 6. Now let me take another example. One more example. 2, 0, 1, 0. So instead of saying 2, 0, 1, 0, only this. What is the significance of this? 3. I can say 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1. What is the significance? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 significance. So I mean to say, whenever all the zeros between 2 non-zero digits are significant. This is an example. We completed it. Let me go to the next one. The third rule will apply. If a number is less, we are talking about all about number. If a number is less than 1, what is the rule? Example, 0.002308, the book example. If the number is less than 1, how to measure the significance? The rule says that first 0 and second 0 are neglected, the significance is 4. Why? Listen carefully. Since this number 0.00230 is less than 1, the rule says that part of the statement I have written here, if a number is less than 1, you have a decimal value. The right sign, right, this is called first digit on the right hand side. This is called, you have a decimal point, right of the decimal point and left of the 0, means this 0 is to the left of 2, it is called first, this is called first non-zero digit. 2 is called first non-zero digit. So this 0 is to the left of first non-zero digit, whereas this 0 is to the right of a decimal point. It is called right of decimal, right of decimal point. What I'm making a statement, you have a number less than 1. When you have such number, what is the significant figure? Significant figure says that 4. Why 4 means I need to apply the condition. You have a decimal point here. Immediately right side of the decimal point, there is a 0. This 0 is right of the decimal point. You have to neglect. And if at all you have a 0, which is to the left of the first non-zero digit, 2 is the first non-zero digit. This 0 is to the left of first non-zero digit. Hence, this 0 is also neglected. Hence, my significance is 4. So, significance talks about certain rule. Now, take another example. 0.02312. So when I take it, this 0 is counted because it is in between two non-zero. These zeros are counted. This is not counted. Significance is 4. So you take one more example. Significance I am writing. So 0.002012. So again, significance is neglected. Significance is 4. So these are few examples. A choice of change of different units. I repeat, a choice of change of different units does not change the significant digits or figures in a measurement. Means you have measured in centimeter, you are going to convert into millimeter, you are going to convert into micrometer, which will not affect your significance number. Let me take an example. Example, the length is measured as 2.308 centimeter. This is one example. If when you measure and you write in terms of centimeter, which I say it as 4 significance figures, and now if I convert into meter, it is yes, and if I convert into millimeter, or if I convert into micrometer, my significance should not affect. The rule says that a choice of change of different units from meter to millimeter, centimeter to micrometer, any meter does not change the number of significant figures or digits. So all these numbers 2308 comes under significance, hence the significance is 4. Okay, now the question is, when you have a decimal number, what are the rules we'll be addressing? Let me take the first one. All the non-zero digits are significant. All the zeros between two non-zero digits, let me read, all the zeros between two non-zero digits are significant no matter where, yes, no matter where the decimal point is, if at all. What is the statement? All the zeros between two non-zero digits are significant no matter where the decimal point is, if at all. This is over. The third one, we need to put more light in the sense, if the number is less than 1, take an example, 0.00308 is an example. The zeros on the right of the decimal point, this is a decimal point, this is the first 0, this is called right of the decimal point. But to the left of the first non-zero digit are not significant. See here, are not significant. What is the statement? The statement says that left of the first non-zero digit, this is 2 is a non-zero digit. Left means this 0 is to the left. I repeat, the 0 which I highlighted is to the left of the first non-zero digit. That is 2 is a non-zero digit. Hence, this 0 and this 0 are not significant. That's why they say they are not significant. And what is the significance? Remaining digits 2308. Hence, the significance is, hence the significance of this less than 1 number is, yes, let me highlight, the significance of this number is 23084 significance. The significance is 4. Now, the next rule, the terminal or trailing zeros in a number without a decimal point are not significant. Again, I repeat, the terminal or trailing zeros in a number without a decimal point. In an example which followed 123 meter, 12300 centimeter, there is no 0 here. Significance is 3. Here there are 2 decimal places which follow. They are called trailing zeros. Hence, these last 4th digit and the 5th digit are not significant. In the next, when I convert from meter to centimeter or millimeter, you can notice here again you have trailing zeros. Again, trailing zeros are neglected. Hence, for the example, above example, the significance is only 3. Yes, this is an idea. Of course, the next rule we'll be doing. Yes. Yes. The fourth point, that is the first point, all the non-zero digits are significant. All the zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Yes. Next one. The third, if the number is less than 1, how the significance is measured? What is the significance of a number? I have taken an example. If the number is less than 1, according to the textbook, the decimal point is taken under consideration and we have decided. Yes. Next, I'll be going for the fourth one. What is the fourth one? The trailing zeros or it is called terminal zeros. Terminal zeros. The trailing or terminal zeros are not significant. Are not significant. What are the trailing zeros? Let me take an example. 1, 2, 3 meter. This is meter, which I can write it as 1, 2, 3. Each meter equal to 100 centimeter. I need to write it like this. 100 centimeter means 1020 centimeter. So what is 1 meter? You all know 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeter. When 100 is, instead of meter, if 100 is multiplied, it becomes this value. So this is 100. Now instead of meter, if I write millimeter, yes, I write 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0 millimeter. Now what is the significance of this? All the non-zero digits. Significance is 3. Here also significance 3. Here also significance 3. These are called trailing zeros. The trailing zero or terminal zero are not significant. If the number is, there is no decimal point here. Now, if there is a decimal point, now I'll put it in the next example. Take any example. Yes. Next one I will write. Now take another example. If there is a decimal point, like I will write it. Decimal point. So 1 is greater than 1, that is 3.500, which is greater than 1. Now these zeros which are trailing after 5, they are important. Hence the significance of this number is 4. Means the trailing zeros, when there is a decimal point, when you have a number with a decimal point, the trailing zeros are significant. I repeat, are significant. Another example, if it is less than 1, 0.06900, so it is less than 1. So now these two are trailing zeros after a number, but it is a decimal point. This is neglected. Now significance is 4. I hope you are getting a point. Now I will have this part. The trailing zero over. Now let me take to remove ambiguities. Yes. Now if I take an example, if 4.700 meter, the significance is 4, which I write in terms of centimeter. If I multiply with 100, it becomes 470.0 centimeter, because 1 meter is equivalent to 100. I hope I have written here. Once again, I'm right. Sorry. 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeter. So when I multiply by 100, it becomes 470. 4.7 into 100. No confusion, I hope. 4.7 into 100 becomes 470. Now make it a millimeter. Multiply by 1000, it becomes 1000 millimeter. Next, you can write in terms of kilometer. Kilometer means 0.00 10 raised to minus 3. So 4700 kilometer. So decimal place here, 1, 2, 3, it is -3, kilo means +3. So hence I got it. So I change from meter to centimeter, centimeter to millimeter, millimeter to kilometer. Significance is 4, no issue. Significance is 4, no issue. Significance according to the rule, it is 2. Again, significance, these two are neglected zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Significance is 4. So when it comes to meter to centimeter, no issue. Centimeter to kilometer, no issue. But when it comes to millimeter, there is an error. So how to overcome this confusion? To overcome confusion, so let me rule a scientific notation. Scientific method or a notation. Method, or we call it as notation. That scientific method or notation, we will try to have an expression which is mathematically written as A cross 10 raised to B. A takes the values between 1 to 10 and B takes the power. Power may be negative or positive. What is the scientific notation? It is A cross, yes, A cross 10 raised to B. A is a number which takes the values between 1 to 10. And B is an exponent which takes the values negative and positive. It takes positive and negative values. Positive and takes positive and negative values. Let me overcome this confusion in a scientific method. Now let me take this first one, 4.700 meter. If I write in centimeter, so I will write 4.700 as it is. Meter means I written. Now 1 centimeter equivalent to, it becomes 10 raised to -2 meter. So I'll be writing this into 10 raised to -2 10 raised to -2 means I'm writing this -2. It is 4.7. I need to write in centimeter -2. Here I'm going to write 4.700 centimeter. So means +2 meter. Each meter is equivalent to +2 centimeter. Next, I can write 4.700 millimeter. Millimeter means +3 millimeter. Milli means -3. I can write 1 millimeter is equivalent to -3 meter. So the rule I am using, so you have a -3 plus 3 becomes as it is. Now kilometer, I can write it as 4.700 into 10 raised to -3 kilometer. Because this is -3, this is +3, it becomes as it is. This is centi means -2. -2 plus 2 becomes 10 raised to 0, 1. So now the significance is as it is. Significance 4. Here also significance 4. Here also significance 4. Here also significance 4. Whereas this A is 4.700. 4.70. This whole is 4.7. Whereas B is positive, positive, negative. Means B being an exponent of 10 or a power of 10, B can take positive values or a negative values. So I repeat, to overcome such confusions, I have to express such things, such measurements in scientific notation. The scientific notation is A cross 10 raised to B. Whenever you do a measurement, when you write in terms of one unit to the other unit, so don't write like this, just express in terms of scientific notation. When you put it in scientific notation, the significance is retained. Here is 4 significance, whether you express in centimeter, millimeter, or kilometer. Thank you.